Lexi, anything else to Poppy for his birthday?
Sing happy birthday again.
How about a big kiss?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Poppy. Happy birthday to you.
How about a big kiss and an I love you?
A big kiss and I love you.
Go
I
on.
love you, Poppy.
All right, say thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everybody.
And can you tell Poppy pee-pee is in the toilet?
Lexi's pee-pee in the toilet, and she goes poo-poo in the toilet, and she sits in a big girl chair, and she listens very often.
He listens very often. Well, I'm going to send it to him. Is there anything you want to say?
Mom, can we call him?
We will, after school, okay?